Hi, boys and girls. Please write your name at the top of the paper. Today we're going to practice more of our adding tens and ones together. So we're going to count how many tens and ones are in the first part of the equation, and then we're going to add 10 to it. So we have 10, 20, 5, 6, 7, 8. So please write 28. Now there's only one 10 stick, so I'm just going to do 10. So what is 28 plus 10? 38. Good. On our next equation, the first set of cubes we have 30, because there's 3 sticks of 10. Now I'm going to add 10 more. So 30 plus 10 equals 40. Next we have 1 10 and 6 ones. So what number do we have? 16. And we're going to add 10 more. So 16 plus 10 equals what? 26. All right, let's look at the next ones. Okay, let's count this one because there's a lot. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 1, 2, 3. So we have 53 plus 10. So that means 53 plus 10 equals what? 63. Okay, let's count our next one together. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 64 plus 10. That equals what? 74. All right. And for our last problem, we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 46, 47. And then I have 10 more. So 47 plus 10 more equals what? 57. Good job, boys and girls. All right, let's turn it over. And on the back, we have some addition practice. I want you to try, finish all the equations, and then turn it into your teacher.